स्ट्रीम लाइव होगी। आई एम लाइव्स। यहाँ से इसको हमने एनेबल प्रीव्यू ऑफ कर देनी है। लेट्स डू सम जैमिंग में। एक सेकेंड, लाइव यहाँ से भी स्टार्ट करते होते हैं। स्टार्ट हो गई है। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, हेलो हेलो जो भी देख रहा है, हेलो। यस, ओके, आई एम स्ट्रीमिंग। वेलकम बैक टू अनदर स्ट्रीमिंग। यस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर स्ट्रीमिंग। ओके, मैं यहाँ से म्यूट करने लगा हूँ। So we are making something today. Hey MTB, hey MTB. Bro thinks he's a mod. Bro thinks he's a mod. Hi MTB, how are you? How are you? Okay, so today we are doing Trijam. This cool a little 3-hour jam, and the theme is full speed ahead, and I have already got an idea that I'm going to work on today. Now the question is, which game engine do I use? I wanna use Godot. I can use gdevelop, and yeah, so that's the two things I can use for this one. So if anyone's watching, then can you tell me which game engine should I choose for this game jam? We don't have much time. I'm gonna be streaming like for 2 hours maybe of the jam, and I have to submit in 2 hours, so yeah. Okay, how do I give modes? Real. Add as moderator. Here you go. Enjoy being a mod. Okay. Alright. So this is the theme, full speed ahead, and let's uh, wait. Let's wait something. Okay. So the theme is quite good. I have already got an idea. It's a very simple idea. So let me actually tell what the idea is. So basically, if you have played Move or Die, it's a game. If you stop, you die. So that's basically my idea, that you have to be keep moving in order to not die. It's going to be a 2D platformer game, and if you stop, you die. That's the thing. You don't have to stop, right? So yeah, let's go. Let's start now. I'm gonna use Godot, I guess. Let me just check something. Okay, yeah, it's good. Everything's fine. We are fine. Okay. Let me just open the phone to check the chat, and we'll get started. Okay. All right. We are ready to go. Now let's open Godot. I guess we are using Godot. So yep, we are using Godot. Of course, we are using Godot. Okay, let's get a new project. Trijam, and we're going to use Godot for compatibility. Let's get a new folder. Or let's use mobile. Or I don't know. Let's use compatibility. Trijam game, and let's shit. Okay, let's create. We are going to use 4.2.1, which is good, I guess. Yep. And I hope everything's good. I hope the music is not too loud and my voice is also good, I guess. I hope. I really do. It's like the theme, like the main deadline is 3 days. I mean, it goes for 3 days, so you can make your schedule in the 3 days. Like, it's not like you don't have to work consecutively in 3 hours. You can just choose which time you have to work on. Like, yeah, this is the thing. Yep, real. So yeah, so basically the rules is to make a game in 3 hours, and those 3 hours can or cannot be consecutive. Yes. What? Okay, so the music is probably so down, I guess. Maybe let me just do that. There is a music though, but it's not playing, I guess. What? uh what? Real. Okay, there's no music. I mean, I did it, but I don't know why it's not working. Wait. Okay, never mind. No music for today. Doo-doo. Okay, so we got Godot open. Let me switch to my cool layout, and let's create some cool folders. So scenes, scripts, and assets. uh, what? Mm, wait. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's create a new 2D scene, and this is going to be the world. Let's save this levels and save the script. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is to make some basic movement that will actually like make the game reset every time you stop. रियल ब्रो, रियल ऐसी बात है. Okay, yeah, so first we have to create a player to actually move around. So we are going to create one using character body 2D, collision shape and a sprite. Let's use this icon for now, then we'll create some cool assets if we have time. What the hell happened, bro? What the hell happened, bro? Can you... पता नहीं. Okay, sir. We have another one. Okay, sir. Wait a second. Just a minute. Okay. No PC. Bye. Acha. Let me give you mode. Enjoy mode, bro. Enjoy mode. Let me give you. Here you go. There you go. Cool. Enjoy the mode, bro. If anyone wants mode, yes. Okay. Okay. Let's get back to the topic. All right. So we were creating player for the game, and we have a cool little godot icon as the player right now, and yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yep, for real. Okay, let me give another mod. This stream is about giving mods to random people. Yes, exactly. uh Bro, this chat is so L. Right. Yes. All right. Let's create the player. Oh wait, I created it in the log folder. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So we got the player. Now let's attach a script, and we will be good to go. Wait. Okay. Let me just change the folder structure a little bit, cause yes. And now let's attach a script. We don't have much, so we have to be pretty much fast as fuck. We need speed, and we probably need also some jumping. Wait, let's make a game. No, never mind. Yep. Okay, let's add physics process. Here we are going to get the direction. Yep, me. I don't like to study, for real. Me, for real. Input dot get axis left and right, and now I'm going to declare these stuff in the input map. So I'm just doing some pretty basic stuff right now. So yeah, we also need one for jump. Nice jump spelling, dear. Jump, and I guess that's all for now. And I can say velocity equals to new vector 2, and inside that we can say direction dot x. Not dot x, it's just x. Direction, speed, and then velocity dot y, and finally we can say move and slide. Yeah, so the boring stuff is done for now. Let's go here and select current. Wait, player. Okay. We got the player in the main scene, and we got it moving left and right, so that's cool. Now let's also give some gravity and stuff. So if not, if we are not is on the floor, if not floor, velocity dot y plus equals gravity and times delta. Now it should fall down, and that's working, which is cool. Oh wait, what? Yeah, now it should be pretty cool. Yep, now it's working as I expected. Let's do the jump, and we will then move on to the main mechanic of the game, which will be to make the game reset whenever we die, or whenever we stop, sorry. Yeah, is action, just press jump, and is on floor. Velocity dot y equals to minus jump force, and that should do it. I mean, yeah. Now I'm going to create a basic tile set. Never mind, I'm just gonna use the godot icon for now. So let's get a new tile set. It's going to be 64 by 64, or maybe 128 by 128. In the tile set, add this now, and we are just going to paint this thing, but first we also need some collisions. So let's paint some collisions. Add a physics layer and paint some physics layer on it, and we have a cool little tile map. Yeah, so we can create something like this, and now we should be able to do this stuff, which is cool. So basically we got what we wanted. We can increase this 920 by 8, and let's see what it does. Yeah, 1960. That sounds like a cool thing. And also in the player scene, I don't like this default jump force, so let me increase it a little bit. And yeah, that looks good. So we have a player controller. Now I have to do this. So if like when the game starts, it's going to be cool, and as soon as I move the player, then if I stop the game, basically you die. Yeah. So as soon as you start moving, you cannot stop. You have to keep moving and keep doing the level in just a rhythm or a flow. That's the plan. Let's hope we can do it in just 3 hours. We are already, I guess, kind of in. I mean, yeah, 40 minutes, I guess. So I'm supposed to be done at 3 a.m. today. So yeah, I think I'll be able to do it. I don't know, maybe. The idea is not so bad, or I mean not so difficult to make, so it's good. Okay, so now let's create a function that will help us. That is going to be isMoving, and it will return a bool, I guess, a bool, and it's going to say yeah, I just got like, this is the time when I'm most free, so I stream at this time. Okay, so if the velocity dot x is greater than 0, that means we are moving, so we're gonna return true, else we're gonna return false. So let's just do this in 2 lines, and cool. Okay, so we got a function that hopefully should work. So let's see. If is moving, we're going to print moving, and else print not moving, right? Okay, so we're not moving, and now we are moving. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to do that as well. So basically we have to do this velocity dot x dot velocity dot length is greater than 0. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's cool. So basically I'm going to add alright, yeah, real. My English is very better, I know that, for real. BRB. Okay. So it's kind of working. I think it's working. Let's wait. Can I do this? Nope. So yeah, I guess this would do. So it's working. I'm going to also add like a timer that if like a 0.5 kind of delay, so if I stop for that long, I am dead. So like not instantly die, you die after a few seconds of stopping. Yeah, basically you are a ticking time bomb, and if you stop you die. Yeah, we got that working, I guess. Now let's see. So we can simply say if not moving, if not is moving, we can say for now get reload current scene. This is gonna do some weird stuff right now because the not moving, as you can see. Oh wait, if not is moving, so if you're not moving, what parameter body get space is what? Wait, what? I am making a game for the Trijam, for the theme. Like I'm making a game like Move or Die. It's a platformer. If you stop, you die. So like once the game starts and once you move for the first time, and then if you stop, what? Yeah. Okay, it's working. All right. Okay, I don't think that part was clear. So like yeah, let me see. Okay, so I was saying that I'm making a game for the Trijam, and in this game if I stop, I die. That's the kind of game I'm working on. And now I guess it's working good, and I can just say this now, and now it should stop. Okay, that's okay. All right, I'm like guessing it's from some weird physics stuff happening over here. So let me just check what's happening, what's wrong. So if not moving, if I am not moving, that means let's just do this. If I'm not moving, I should print dead. Okay, yeah, as you can see. Okay, yeah, it works. This thing works, but the restarting doesn't work. So I have to do the timer thingy right now, because I guess then it will work. So this is the what do I call it? Move death, stop death delay, or just death delay, I guess. And I can get the reference of this one, and then I can just say add this signal, and after the timeout I have to do this. Oh, not reload current scene. If get tree dot current scene, then do this. Basically it's just a null check that if the current scene is there, like if it's there's a scene, then reload that scene. Otherwise it sometimes returns some cool weird errors. Yes. Okay, so if node is moving, we are printing dead, and here I have to just start the timer, and I am assuming that this will like do some weird stuff, but let's try. So that delay dot start, and after 1 second of wait time I should die. Okay. Okay, it's not working obviously, because maybe there's something wrong. Death delay dot start. Huh. Okay, so if we are not moving, I am starting the death delay, which might be starting again and again. So let me also print the death delay dot time left. Okay, as you can see, it's starting as I said it. Okay, I can use signals here. So let's use signal, and I can create a signal for the moving or stopped moving, right? And when I am not moving, I can say stopped moving dot emit. And I also need another one started, like the game started for I don't know, I don't need that, I guess. So now in the player I can say if stop moving, then I want to start the timer. I think this will not work as well, but I don't know. Okay, I know it. So what I can do is I can just do this right here in the timeout function, right? So if I'm not moving after that delay, I am dead. Okay, but I also have to start the timer, so let's just do auto start for now. I'm moving, and if I stop, okay, if I stop, alright, I guess that's working. I think so. Okay, we got it working, I guess. So I am moving around like that, and if I stop, I die. Yep, that's working. Okay, so I have to do one more thing though, and that is to make the timer stop. Like if I print this death delay dot time left, if I print that, as you can see, if like it's keep playing, like it's running even if I like not stop. Yeah, I don't know what I'm speaking, but like it's keep playing until, even if I don't stop or if I don't move or whatever. Yeah, so now what I can do is I can add a thing like, so basically if I'm moving, then I should stop the timer, otherwise start the timer. So let's do that. So if moving, you can say death delay dot stop, right? Let's see, I also have to print the thing again. Let's stop, and if I move, I have to actually restart it, else this. Okay, I maybe not like start and stop, but like pause. I should just do a little pause there. So paused equals to true, and paused equals to false. And now it's like pause there, and if I stop, it should, yeah, okay, that's working nice. So there's a little thing happening over here, so I can fix it, I guess. So if x is greater than 0 and I am going to get the absolute velocity dot x, or absolute, yo, hello, welcome to the stream. I am making a cool game in 3 hours. Velocity dot x is less than 0. So yeah, I think this should fix the issue. Okay, x greater than 0 or velocity dot x is less than 0. Argument x must be int float vector to what? Oh, wait. Yeah, this is how I should do it, probably. Okay, now it's working, and it still does that sometimes. Yup, cool game in 3 hours. I mean, making a game for Trijam, and yeah, basically when you stop, you die. The theme of the Trijam is full speed ahead. So basically, I'm making a game where you have to go at full speed, and if you stop, you die. Yeah, very original idea, I know. Anyways, so this is doing a little bit weird thing that if we keep like going left and right, it decrease the timer, because for a second there, the this thing here returns false for a second, like for a 0.1 second maybe. This thing returns false. So we have to do that. I mean, fix that somehow. So if it's greater than, let's do this. Let's try this. I mean, I don't know if it's going to work, but let's try this. Oh, wait. Yep, knew that. Oh, you should do game jams. They are pretty fun. I mean, pretty fun. Very, very fun. Okay, it's returning 1. Okay, it's always returning 1. Yeah, I knew that. This shouldn't. Okay. Okay, let me just increase the timer a little bit so I can better test what's going on over here. So like, yeah. And also I have to do this. I have to make a variable over here, var game started. And it's going to be a bool of type, it's going to be false. I can just remove this signal because I don't need it anymore. Alright. Walaikum assalam. Bye bye. Tata. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Have a great time. Bye bye. Wherever you are going. Yep. Okay, I guess this is working. I think so. Not so working, but I guess this can do for now. Or what we can do, I have just got another idea. So what we can do is we can reset the timer. So I can say that the dot wait time equals to the time I set. So basically every time you start moving, or like every time you stop moving, it should setting the timer back to 2, I guess. What? Okay, I guess it will do next time it does that. So I mean, we can keep it. We have to change the wait time to 2, because we cannot change the time left property because it's just a read only property. But now it will, yeah, it just does that for a little second over there. So I guess we are good, we are fine. I don't know, maybe. Wait a minute. Okay, cool. Alright, so we got the main mechanic done, but the code looks really bad, so let me just fix it a little bit. So what we can do, we can just delete this thing because it's not even working. Let me just convert this to a ternary operator, and else false. And this one is good, this is also good. Wait, I'm not doing this. Okay. Yeah, well, I have to set that every time. Int completion at, I don't know why it's not getting saved, but I have to do this every time I create a new project, which is weird because editor settings have to be saved. I mean, it might be a bug or whatever. Wait a minute. Okay. What game am I making? Are you talking about? I don't know. I don't think that's for me, I guess. Yeah. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so I guess we got 2 hours left, so let's hurry. We got our main mechanic done, which is cool, but we still have a lot more to do. We have to fix some stuffs, and yeah. So I was thinking to make like a progress bar or something. So like when you start moving, the progress bar will like rise up, and then if you stop, it will go down. That can work too. I mean, I can make that work. Let's try that as well. I don't know. Progress bar, and let's make it something like this, yes. And every time the player stops, the progress bar will fall down. I mean, this can basically solve the issue. I don't know, or like the issue that I am having currently. I guess so it can, but let's see. So its value is going to be 100 by default. Let's change the value to 100. Maximum value is 100. That's good. Show percentage, that is good. And at the start, or basically we can use both things, I guess. We can use both stuff. So instead of doing this, like in the timeout delay, I can actually do this. I can actually do this. So if value is less than or greater than 0, I can just do this thing. And here in the progress bar, the process function, basically I can say progress bar dot value equals to that many dot time left, and it should do what I am doing. And I also have to set the max value as well, and that should be done in the ready function. Max value equals to, yeah, as you can see now it's looking pretty good. I mean, but it's still doing that thing, which is not good, but it's okay. Okay, so we have a little indicator now that we should now really start moving again. Okay, so that's working. I can die here and I can go back and restart level, but I'm also getting some errors. Wow. Okay, it's this error. I don't know what these errors are, but it's okay, I guess. Oh wait, okay, if not is moving, I don't need this, I guess. I am making like a game where if you stop, you die. It's a platformer game, so whenever I stop, I die. Yeah, whenever I stop, I die. That's the whole game. It's a platformer game, and the theme is full speed ahead. So basically, I am like changing the theme according to what I want to make. So yeah, basically all I have to do is you have to complete the level without stopping for long. Yeah, I don't know if that's a good interpretation of theme, but it's there. Okay, so I guess that's working. We got our cool stuff. We got just 2 hours left, so we gotta do some stuff now. We got this working, and we got this. I can just simply do that now, I guess, because it's already working. And I can just disconnect this signal because it's cool. We probably have to fix this issue because it's really annoying. If like just people do this, they can easily die without actually stopping. But like, yeah. Oh wait, this doesn't even what? This doesn't even kill the player. Like if that happens, wait. I guess it just identified a cool. Okay, never mind. It was just a one-time thing, I guess. But yeah, it works. But I'm getting this weird error. I don't know why that is. Body get space is null. I don't know what that is, but it's causing nothing to the game, so let's just keep it there for now. Okay, so the next thing, we basically have our working like mechanic. We have a mechanic that we actually need for the game, so we can just create some levels, I guess. Right, so I need to make some fast-paced levels where you like yeah, I need to create some fast-paced levels. Wait, no, never mind, don't wait. Okay, that was just a quick thought, but okay. So now let's create some level, or let's actually make a pretty good asset, art, whatever. So it's Inkscape time, and I'm hoping my PC is not going to die. Okay, we are fine for now. I'm gonna close this, and yep. So first we need a player sprite, so I'm gonna go with my really cool asset style, which is the dudes, my very original design. Or yeah, okay, let's follow a color palette, should we? So let's go to color palette. Oh, nice spelling, dear. Color palettes, let's get some cool one from, I guess, low spec. We can get some what, okay, palette list. Let's try something little bit like, yeah, uh why not, we should just go with like black and white. I also already have a like thing, like a asset created for that one. Just a minute. I hope I'm not like extras, gamedev assets 2D custom. Here you go, I have some assets already created for a black and white theme, so I'm just gonna go with that, I guess. I mean, let's check the rules if I can actually do this. Like if I can use the previous stuff. This time, okay. I guess I can use pre-made assets. So we got the player and the tile set. Let's create that. I mean, let's add that tile set here. So boom. Now I'm gonna create some auto tiles. So let's create them. First of all, terrain sets is going to be ground, and yeah, we got that. Let's go to paint, terrain, and terrain set. Let's paint all of that, and then we're going to use the bit mask like this, and we have a terrain. I can remove this, and I can now simply paint stuff like this, and it's going to auto tile stuff, which is cool. I can do this stuff, and it's cool. It's gonna work without any problems. So that is okay. We need a physics layer here as well. We need physics layers. That's, oh, okay, wait, let me add the grid snap. Okay, you can have a shout out. Shout out to you, Michael Miller, or like, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, there's this. It's too high. Let me just do this, and cool. Okay, I mean, it's good I'm not getting like no movement when I move. Right, so this is good. Let's also replace the player with this cool little asset I have. And we got that. Oh, it's too small, I guess. No, wait. Oh, wait, I changed the size of this, so that's why it's too small. This is the perfect size for it. Okay, now it's working, looking good. So we got a black and white stuff. What if I change the background to black as well? Let's see what happens then. Oh boy, everything gonna be black. Oh, what? Everything gonna be black. Oh damn, it doesn't look so bad. It actually looks good. I mean, too much white, but okay. I mean, too much black, that's what I'm trying to say. Right, I'm gonna just do a little bit like this so I can actually see, and then I will change that back. This doesn't look so bad as well. Okay, all right, let's get some levels done. We need some like traps or stuff like that, so let's add them. First is going to be the one and only, the cool spike. There you go, we got a spike. Let's make it 64 by 32 or 32, wait, pixels, 32 by 32 pixels. What? Wait, oh wait, I'm changing the position, I guess. Wait a minute, let me add that again. Like this, no outline for now. And let's change it to 32 by 32. And now let's add that outline and let's change the size. Okay, yeah, this is, I guess, 32 by 32. Okay, alright, this is good, I guess. Let's make him black and white outlines. I don't remember the size of this outline, so let me just, yes, it was 0.6. Let's export this, cut and paste it over here, spikes, and let's add that in here in the tile map, or not in the tile map. I'm going to create a new tile map that is going to be for the traps, or let's just say spikes. A new tile set, 32 by 32. I can delete all of this, I guess. In the tile set, add this. No, what? New tile set, 32 by 32. Or maybe let's just not do it with the tile set. I can just manually place them. It's cool. But I'm gonna see if that even, like, they look good with this. Oh, it doesn't look so bad. So I'm going to create a prefab out of this, like a scene, like that. Let's do 4. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so let's create a new scene. It's going to be an area 2D, and it's going to be spike or spikes. Add the collision shape and add the sprite. Wait, let me just do that here. It should be like this. Cool. Let's group all of them and then let's export this. Spikes. Let's add that here. We can delete this one and let's just add this sprite. And for this we might need the collision polygon because I have to set it afterwards. Let's add some polygons. Let's enable that and let's add some polygons. Okay, this is pretty random. I'm gonna fix this. Okay, I don't need this, I guess. Cool. So we got a thing. Let's make a new folder, and here I'm going to put every objects like spikes and other stuff, and we can delete this stuff. And I can just place these spikes like this over here. And in the spikes I can also create a script. And if it collides with the player, so if enter any body, which is if body.name equals to player, I can reload the scene. Right. Okay, that's working, which is cool. But I'm getting the errors, and that happens when you try to do this. So let me see. If get tree.current scene not equals to null. Let's see if that fixes the issue, like the error. Nope, I guess. Okay, remove with call differ. Okay, I can do this. Call deferred, and I can just pass in this as a string. We don't need this anymore now. And now there shouldn't be any error, which is cool. So we are not getting any errors. But we are getting for this one here. Let's also do the same thing with this one. I might think it's because of this, but it's not because of that. I know that it's because of this one here. Yep. Okay. What? Okay, now we don't need this, we need that one. What? Huh. Okay, that kind of broke the game, bro. What? Huh. If value is less than this, then die. Why aren't you dying? Okay, now it's working. Very cool. Now it's not working. What? What? I don't know what's happening. Let me just try to remove this and see what happens. Now it's working. So it just works one time. Why that? Why is that? It just works once, and then it doesn't restart the level. Let me do this 0.1. So we are okay. What? Why this thing is not working? That's weird. I mean, this thing works, but this is not working anymore. Oh wait, is there something wrong with this function? Let me disconnect it and connect it again. Okay, that's weird. Okay, now it works, and now it's not gonna work. Yep. So it works sometime, but it doesn't work sometimes. What? Wait, let me see the error. Physics process parameter body get space is null. It's coming from this move and slide here. Wait, should I try to do this down here? Maybe, I don't know. That's kind of weird. I don't know why this thing now happens suddenly out of a sudden without any, like, it was working before. And right when we don't have enough time left, it just broke. Okay, we have to fix this first, then we can move on to levels. Let me see if I can like do this in a different way. Right, so if I remove this, let's see what happens. Okay, so it just works like one time and then it doesn't work. It's not the fault of this thing over here. It's this move and slide doing some weird stuff. Let's use move and collide. Let's see how that works. Wait, what? What the hell is going on over here, bro? Yep, I suck a lot. What the hell is this move and slide doing, bro? Move and slide works, but it doesn't die. I mean, it does die one time and then it doesn't die. What if I die this and then die again? Okay, so this seems like a pattern or something. Okay, so now, okay, alright, so now it's working. And if I die like this, now it's like, what's this pattern, bro? Like, it's not even a pattern. I get this weird fucking things. Let me see if I can find a solution. Multiply by delta. Yeah. Okay. What's this error again? Let's just copy this, paste that. We don't need all this. And yeah, I guess this is the error I'm talking about. Get space to return null. Without diamond engine code, this is because your motion is being called while you are between levels. Part of physics data is being called to move slide while the level is changing. Okay. So I can do this if get tree.current scene. Then do this. Let's see if that fixed the error. Yeah. Not equals to null. Let's see. Okay, that gives a, yeah. So what? Yeah, I know. Let's try the move and collide. Velocity times speed times delta. Oh, wait. Okay, the player is nowhere to be found. Let me see where the player goes when I use the move and collide. It moves down. What? What? Okay, it's moving down. What? Why though? I don't get why it's moving. I mean, it might be like due to. Let me just decrease this value to something like 20 for now. Let's see if. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, right. So the physics, like the gravity was too much for it to handle, but it's not moving. Now it's not moving. What? What the hell is wrong with this move and collide, bro? Wait, should I have do this? Okay, it. Okay, move and slide probably works, but 980. Let's do that again. Let's try that again. We have what? Now the move and slide is also not working. Bro, this project is doomed. Let me just reload this. This project is like gone. Let me see if now everything works. Okay, I can jump, but why the hell I cannot? Okay, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so it's too much. 1960, I guess it was before. Okay. So now the player is not dying. And it should die. It should die. And it happened as soon as I like replaced this stuff. This thing over here. Like I use the deferred method and then I use this one again and it just breaks. Cool. Okay, let's try to fix what is happening. Let me just put a breakpoint over here and let's see what's happening. Everything seems fine. Okay, wait, let me just do this way. Get is in group player, not, yeah, player, and let's add a group player. I need to move that breakpoint. That's what I'm trying to figure out, that like, yeah, there's like not another method of dying. I mean, well, let me just do this. Get tree.change scene to file. Get tree.reload current scene. Name, wait, it was something like this. Get tree.current scene dot name, I guess, or just this. Yeah, dot name. No, it wasn't this. I mean, let me print something over here. Dead. Let's see if that's working. Yep, it's working. It just works one time and it doesn't even print that. Okay, so I guess, okay, so this is not the issue, this function is. Cool. Okay, so yeah, this is fine. This is fine. We can just say here, we can just like, we can do that, right? So this is, I don't know why this is happening to this guy over here. And like, let's just do this, right? So it's because of this. So let's try that again, or maybe let's try connecting this way. Dot value changed dot connect. This is going to be this one, and for the value I don't want to bind anything. Let's see if this works. Okay, this doesn't even work. Cool. Let's print dead. No, it's not because of that. I think it's okay. Now it's working every time, I guess. Okay, yeah, it's fixed again. Okay, it's working. Cool. Now it's working, but it's giving me this error again, so I'm just gonna have to do it with it. Okay, use physics process and process work for me. What? Okay. So what if current get tree dot current scene is not equals to null? I could do that, but yeah, I mean, it should work like this. Now it's not even working. Cool. Okay, let's try that. Let's try using a health, and yeah, but it's actually working right now. Somehow it just wasted my 30 minutes, and it's just, yeah. Okay, so it works, but there's just an error. I mean, it's not that bad, right? Okay, the error is because this thing is getting stopped, I guess. That's why this error is occurring. I don't know. Or wait, I can do this. I can do is create a new function, add all of this inside this function, call this function over here, and right, it's still gonna give the error, but I'm just checking if everything's working. Okay, nice. Yeah, it's still gonna give the error. So to fix that error, what I can do is yeah, I don't know, it's a weird error. I never got this error before, and that's weird. That's really weird. Okay. This works fine. Okay, this signal is just bro. This, I'm not going to use the progress bar. We can use it for the UI. Yeah, as the we're just going to use something else to die here. So okay, so let's create the health, or we don't even need the health. We can just say in the physics process that if the death delay dot time left is less than or equals to 0, then we should just do this. Now I am not sure. Yep, it's not working. Cool. Wait, why it's not working again? It should do something. Oh yeah. Let's do it this way. Okay, now it's working, and now hopefully, and now there's not even an error, so that is cool. So we somehow fixed this, which is cool. And boom, we die. Okay, so finally it's working. Finally I can move back to levels. Cool. Finally. I don't know, but it just works. Okay, so that's cool. We got some stuff working. And that's a good thing that there's not, like, the error is not there anymore. So I can now just make stuff like the spikes and traps for the game now. I just have 1.5 hours left, so I gotta do things pretty quickly now. So we got that working, we got spikes in the game. What more do we need? We need some moving platforms, maybe, I don't know. Let's just actually test this game. I'm gonna make a simple little fast-paced level. I don't know what that's gonna be, but yeah, let me just delete. So first, the player should know the basics, so we're going to make some kind of tutorial, right? So here, the player will first have to, like, move, and there will be a gap they have to jump, and then some spikes, some staircase area like this, so that they can actually then, like, stop. That's the all purpose of this game, to make the player stop. Like, the levels will make the player stop, but the player have to avoid stopping. Yeah, let me just add a camera here, and let's enable this, and we are good. What? Oh wait. Yeah, this is good. So right, yeah. Okay, this level is pretty slow right now, but I will make this faster. I think so. I will be able to make it faster. I don't know. Let me just. Okay. So this spike here will not come here. So right here. We'll place it right here. And one here. Boom. Oh, okay. I think I should add double jump, because a platformer is not really a platformer without double jumps. So let's do that. So jump count, it's going to be an integer. By default, it's going to be 2. What? Oh, right. Oh wait, what the? Jump count going to be an integer and 2. And instead of doing this, I can just say jump, and jump count is greater than 0. Jump count minus equals 1, and else jump count equals to 2. What I can do is call this max jump count, and then there will be this thing, jump count. So this one will automatically be equal to jump count equals to max jump count at the start of the game. And yeah, so jump count equals to max jump count over here, right? So I should have now 2 jumps, which is cool. Oh, there's one thing in the player controller that is missing right now, which is to make the player flip left and right. Dot flip h equals to true if velocity dot x is less than 0, else false. Let's call this in the movement. Okay, that is working. Cool. Alright. Okay, wait. Okay, it should, like, yeah. It shouldn't be a ternary operator. What? Wait, what? Why it's doing that? It shouldn't do that. Should I do this? Okay, yeah, this should work. Yep, that's working. So now it's not automatically switching to the, like, flipping to the right side anymore, which is cool. Okay, now let's actually, we have the controller now working, like really working. Now we just make the levels, and I guess, yeah, we have to make the levels as fast as we can, and they need to be like, yeah, we need some moving stuff, so let's add them. So area 2D is going to be moving spike, and wait, change type to path 2D. Let's add a path follow, and let's add that area 2D, and then add the collision, and then the sprite. This is the moving sprite. Let's do traps in the objects. Let's do traps. Save this, and let's create a basic moving trap thingy. So it's going to be very simple, just this guy, but with more faces, like this, and I can change its this thingy. Let's make him a little bit twisted. Not like that, bro. Yeah, like that, like moving, rotating saw or something. We need to make more of these corners. Let's do this amount. I can just do this, and that is cool. We have this thing now. Let's make the, like, the path of this thing, so that it will be moving on top of this thing, right? So now it will go like this, and it will also rotate, which is cool. Let's make him a little bit smaller. Let's export this as the moving spike or rotating spike. We can create 2 types of stuff with this one, so like rotating and then moving rotating, something like that. And this is going to be the, wait, I can do this in the editor itself. So let's just get that and add this here, and there you go, we got that. Let's add that here. And let's create a basic path. So this one is going to be moving up and down. Wait, can I just a second, let me do one thing. Just try one thing. Yeah. What? I can't move it like that, bro. Huh. Yeah, like this. So we are going to create the path over here so that we don't have to do it in the main scene. So we can just create multiple types without any problems in each level. So the first one is going to be, yeah, right here. Let's just for testing. They're gonna be pretty fast. And now in this scene, I will just animate animation player, not tree, animation player. I can create a thing. Let's call it move. And I can just select this path follow, progress ratio, create, and just finish it like this. They need to be pretty fast. Pretty fast. So let's make him 0.8. And let's change this to this thingy. Boom. We got a working thingy. This speed is okay. And in the script, in the process function, I'm going to rotate. I'm going to rotate it. Let's see how that looks in the game. Oh, 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 oh boy. Didn't have to do that. Just have to rotate the sprite. Sprite.rotate. Now we're talking. Oh, okay, that's too much. Oh boy, that was a save. Okay, never mind. Okay, this is kinda slow. Let's do 5. And cool. Okay, we don't have much time, which is bad, but we got our game like basics almost done. Yeah, so this is how the speed is going to be, and we have to like do this. Yep, cool. We got one kind of moving spike. We can generate as many as we like by just duplicating this, creating this curve a unique curve, right, and changing its place to somewhere else like this, changing this and placing it somewhere else like that, and it won't like affect the other one, which is really cool. I think the size of this spike is kind of big, so I will fix that and make it smaller. Okay, so the only motive is that you have to keep moving. Oh boy. Okay, the size is kind of big. Okay, one thing I have to change. I don't want to rotate this, so it just rotates in the same angle in each thing. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now let's also like make this an exported variable, var rotate speed. Let's give him a 5 value. Alright, that's cool. Okay, let's make this sprite a little bit smaller because it's too big right now. 0.3 or 0.5 will do. And now for the collision shape, it's going to be a circle like this. And we have a, okay, that's too small, I guess. Wait, this one seems fine. Yeah, this size is okay. Let's move this one a little bit downwards. Okay, let me make the player jump a little bit higher, because yep, the player's gonna die if, yeah. Okay, wait, never mind, we have double jump, I forgot that, so I can just do this. So whenever I'm about to die, I can just double jump. Okay, yep. Okay, let's add the killing thingy over here as well. So moving spike in this signal body entered, we're basically just going to copy paste this thingy like this, and it should work now. It should work now. Right, it's working. Great. Cool. And so there are like multiple hazards now. Yeah, I will. The reason I have like gravity kind of floaty, because you need to make some very long jumps over here. Let me just try to make it like this times 2, whatever that is. Okay, that's too much. That's a pretty too much. Yeah, that's too much. 1960 times 0.5. Oh wait, 1960 times 1.5 or 1.2. Okay, this one's good. This gravity feels good, I guess. Okay. Yeah, let's also increase the speed, this to 600. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty, maybe too fast. Okay, this movement's a little bit faster. 550. Okay, I'm thinking, no, that's a pretty bad idea. That whatever I'm thinking is a bad idea, and I know that. And I don't have much time left, so yeah. Okay. So this can be a rage game. I don't know. I accidentally making a rage game right now because it's pretty hard. Yo, what's up? What's up? Nothing much. Just making a cool game. Damn, you said you to godot. Damn. Bro said you to godot. Bro ain't gonna survive this society. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's actually turned into a rage game already. Like if you play this and you like die, you feel kinda enraged. Like this guy here, this little guy is pretty bad. Okay, enough playing. Let's actually make some more traps. So we have moving spike left and up, left, right, and up, down. And now we gotta make some more. So give me ideas. Give me ideas. Lol. Okay, as you say. Let me remove you from the moderator. Here you go. You're now, like, you're not really a moderator now. Cool. Okay, give me some more ideas for the traps because I need it right now. We got this. We got we can make some stuff like, I don't know. Can I make an hanging? No, I can't. I have a pretty big skill issue right now. Okay, this one's good. This one's little pretty heavy. I don't know. Okay. We need some more ideas for these spikes. Or the traps. What kind of traps should I make? It's thinking time. Okay. So we got this kind of spike. We got the... Wait, what was that idea that I had earlier on? What was that idea? Okay, bro, let me increase the jump speed. Let's see, 650. If you increase the jump speed, it becomes a little bit floaty. But it's okay, I guess. Nah. When you're making a rage game, you don't kind of make checkpoints. I mean, yeah. Movement fluid, but I don't have enough time, bro. I have to submit the game like at 3 a.m. The movement feels kind of good right now, I guess. I will make the yeah. Wait. I have to submit, or maybe let's just forget about submitting. Let's make this game a better game first. Then I'll just think about it. Posting in the Trijam submission. I don't know. Maybe. The movement feels good, I guess. I'll add some cool stuff like the squash and stretch animations, some trail animations and stuff like that. Wait, let's actually do that first. So I'm gonna get a trail. Trail 2D. There you go. Just download that one. We don't need. I guess we need that. Maybe. Enable the plugin here, and let's add that trail. 20. Width is going to be 20. Width curve. This. And border. No, capping. Bevel. Round, round, round. And texture. Gradient. This one needs to be this. And then this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it can be speedrun, I guess. Like this. I mean, movement is feeling pretty good right now. Movement is quite good. Let's just do this. Where's that property behind parent? Ordering, texture, material, visibility, show behind parent. Okay. Ordering, let's just do this. Okay, now it's working, which is cool. Yeah, I'm thinking of adding that, like the moving platforms kind of stuff. The movement, I think I like the movement. It's pretty good, not bad. Lol. Where I can create some like what do you say? Uh, some like fake platforms. So like when you move over them, they are not like really like platforms, but yeah, it's like a platform with no collision. Yeah, then the game will become unfair Mario. Okay. Yeah, jump pad seems good. I also like kinda have to do this thing, like where you can replenish your this little health over here, so that it goes to. Oh wait, why am I doing that? I have to like restart the timer again and again. I'm doing this, so yeah. Yep, let me write that down somewhere so I don't forget it. But all those ideas, those are pretty cool. So what can we add? We can add some jump pads, moving platforms. Moving platforms. Let's also do slippery floors. Wait. Okay, slippery floors. Then we can also say invisible platforms, like fake platforms. There will be a little like some indication that this is a fake platform to like differentiate a little bit, and then yeah. What more? And we need some more stuff, bro. This is so less. Let's see. I write this stuff because I forgot. Like I forget, bro. I forget. Okay. Uh. Okay. Let me see. I might have to remove this, like the main mechanic of the game. I mean, I don't know why. For the if I have to make this a rage game or something, or maybe let's keep it. The way I'm doing it, it's pausing the time, which I didn't want it originally. So let's change that. So if not is moving, death delay dot start, else death delay dot stop. And now it's never going to end. And that delay dot is stop, I guess. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. And that delay dot. Okay, let's try and make it one shot. Okay, if not moving, what? Yeah, this is what I wanted, and it's happening what I wanted. So basically every time you move, the timer resets, so you don't have to like worry about that. So like yeah. And this won't be visible here, it will be visible somewhere else. Like in a real game I might not show this timer or this progress bar. It will be something like other stuff. Yeah, I have not half hour, 1 hour. Okay, that's good. So that's good. Now let's actually start creating the levels. So first I'm going to remove these. Oh shoot. uh, I definitely didn't definitely didn't press Control Q at all. Like, definitely it wasn't me. I would never do that. Nope. Okay, so we are back in the project and we have just 1 hour left and we have to do some stuff right now. So let's delete these things. Let's actually start creating the levels. So first we have to teach the player about the game, like how it works, right? So we can do that by making a simple level where the player just have to walk in the given direction. Yeah. Okay, let me redesign this thing like this, and let's make it yay big, and let's add some simple little jumps here, some simple jumps that it feels like a platformer. Like this. I have to make this tile set, like so. Let's do that. Let me pixels. So 64 in the width and 192 in the height. That's that. I hope it's the same. This is going to be, let me also import the other one so I can just pack them into one little thingy. This thing needs to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, this looks good. Let's just group them together. Wait, I'm gonna delete this or make another one on top of it so that I can actually, yeah, because that's the quality was like way bad. So here we got this. Let's just group them together and export them. In the home, let's call it tile set and overwrite it, and just overwrite it over here as well. And now we have to change some stuff here in the terrains. So we have to wait, okay, wait. No, that shouldn't happen. Oh, it's quite bigger. It's not properly sized. So 64. I am turning the game into a rage game. Yes, that's how it went. Okay, let's now export this again. Let's call it a tile set. Cut, paste, overwrite, and paste it back. Now it should work. Yep, it's now good. It's good. In the terrains, let's paint the terrains again. So this one goes like this, and this one goes like that. So now I have to repaint the ones that I already have, like this. What? Okay. What? Oh wait, I have to actually do the other one as well. So just duplicate this, make it like this, and place it over here. Let's select the whole thing now. Export, tile set, paste, overwrite, and import it into godot. Go to tile set again. Let's add these tiles, and let's add this as well. Now it should work, hopefully. Actually, I should be able to place these buildings, which is cool. Nice. I cannot place one tile like this, so I have to do that as well later on, but this is good. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to like make the player go up from here. Let's do another cool little platform, and yeah, let's just do this. Cool, we have our first level. Now we can just do and copy paste these little things. Wait, I should actually, I should actually create a tile set of these, because they are more easy to place when they are a tile set. Oh, shoot, I did something wrong. I did something. What did I do? What? Where the tile set gone, bro? Okay, never mind. Let's just do that again. Tile set, no. Let's add everything. Everything, paint, add everything. This, that, and this. Okay, we got our level back. Let's duplicate this one. Let's create a new tile set. It's going to be 32 by 32. And for this one, I'm going to remove this. And this one is going to be called spikes. And this one is called ground. So we don't need these anymore. In the spikes, I can, let me see what's the dimension of this thing is. Pixel, let's do 128 and 32. Yeah, this looks fine. Let's export them again. Let's go to spikes, cut, paste, overwrite, and back into godot. Now I can just drag these here. Now to add, oh wait, to make the X this big. Yeah. Okay, well, let's make this one little. Yeah. What will be wrong with that? Physics layer. Remove that point, and we have the collision set up. In the tile side, I can just now do this, and boom, we have spikes, and we are going to add them into the group spikes. And in the player, I'm going to do is, if let's add an area over here, so we don't have to do that stuff every time. So I'm just going to check the collision from the player. Signals body entered, and if the body dot is in group enemy, or let's say traps, get tree dot call deferred, reload current scene. And now we can just remove this because we don't need this spike thingy anymore. So scenes, objects, spikes, bye bye. Oh shit, it got saved again. Don't save. And now I'm going to add every obstacle in the trap, anything in the traps group, and now it should work. Oh wait, the ground doesn't have any collisions. Very cool. Cool. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, that's weird. Fix it. Let's fix that thingy. Yep, cool. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. And if we collide with this, we should die. What? Oh yeah. Wait. It is in the spikes group, and it should be in the traps group. And we got just what? What? Wait, let me see if I can collide with the traps group, and I'm checking if the body is in group traps, and reload current scene. Is it actually working? I don't know. Nope. This doesn't change anything. Traps, physics layer, we have a physics layer. In the spike style set, let me check one thing. Okay, let me try this. So we have these traps. wait, this one should be area, right? So if any area also enters this, we're going to do the same thing. Let's try this again, shall we? Okay, it should die. Nope, it's not dying. Cool. Okay, let's try this with the moving spikes. I don't know what's wrong. It shouldn't do that. Let's try this with this one. Moving spike. Let's add that over here. Let's try. Okay, this one works. Just the tile map doesn't work. Wait, there was a thing here. Physics, and it has a group straps in the tile set. This one, navigation layers, we don't need that. Custom layers, we don't need that. This one works. Layers. Okay, let me just check a little bit. How to do tile set collisions in Godot. Select your tile or tile. Layers. We don't need the layers. We don't need the layers. We need what? Damn. I just found out that I can use tile set as, I mean, the particles as the tile. Wow, that's great. Anyways, we just have 40 minutes left and the game is nowhere near done. That means we're not submitting, but I will be surely working on it for a little bit longer and we'll probably make it a complete game. Should have gone with a simple game idea. I mean, it's a simple game idea, but whatever. There are little to very complications in this project. Moving spike is working, so that is nice. We can just remove this, but the spikes collision is not working, which is a bit not good. So this is there. There's a physics layer 0, and I can do that. Polygon 0. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me try this. The default this collision shape, let me just make it a little bit bigger to see if that's what's causing me the issue. Yep, that was it. Okay, now it's working, which is cool. So we're just going to make it a little bit like this. Yeah. Okay, now we got that working, which is cool. So we have a basic core game loop, you can say. We can die, we can respawn, and we have our main mechanic as well. Okay, let's decrease this timer to just 0.5, so you cannot stand for a little longer than that. So you have to keep moving. You can't stop for too long. And there is one thing I have to do. At the level start, I have to attach a script. Let's attach the script, and here we are going to add a variable called game started, and at the start we are going to game started dot equals to true, and then we're going to use this variable in the, or maybe let's make a new script, game manager, and we're going to do this inside the game manager. It's going to be an autoload script, so let's add that. In the word, I should just be able to do game manager dot game started equals to true, and here I'm going to see we are going to like this one, if game manager dot game started, and if I'm moving, then this. Let's try this, and we have to actually make it game started when we move a little bit, like this. So first it will be false, there not be any setting of it, and if the player moves, then the game is actually starting. Game manager dot game started equals to true. Okay. And here, if game manager dot game started, can start the game. Okay, it's true, and if it started, we start the delay. What? I mean, I have to print this is moving again because I don't think it's working as I want it to. Never mind, it's working, right? So all I want to do is just set the game manager to started if I move, and if I'm moving, I want the timer to start. Oh boy. So here I can say Okay. What? Lol. If is moving, that will not start. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's add that game manager here. And let's attach the script there. And it needs some exported variables like the duration, stop threshold. By default it's going to be 2.0, and I'll be able to change this in each level. So in the first level there will be a little bit time for the, like, there will have a little bit of time. So in the ready I'm going to say death delay dot wait time equals to game manager dot threshold. Right. Right. Oh wait. What? So net zero dot wait time equals to this. Wait time. So right, we have 2 seconds. Let's do 1 second. It should be a little bit faster now, but it isn't, which is weird. So we are setting the wait time equals to this, and we're setting the max value to this, value to time left. What? Let's okay, this doesn't need to be an auto load because it's messing with some stuff. This just needs to be in every scene and all. Last name game manager, and now it should work. Bro, you just what? The game manager dot stop threshold. Okay, never mind. It needs to be an auto load. Game manager. Game manager. Let's add that. And in the player, I should be able to do this. Now in the script, I'm going to give it unknown and not give any value, so that I can update this here. Now it's working. It's 2, I give 5. Okay, it's not working. But why is not getting this value over here? What? Well, let's just do this in the word. So like in the word, I can get the player and say player dot death delay dot wait time equals to game manager dot stop threshold. What? Okay, let's just do this in no. Bruh, it doesn't even work correctly. I don't know why. I really don't know why it doesn't work. Because this should work. Here it works, but if I change the value to something else here, like it's set to here 5, but for some reason this value is not getting read by Godot, because it's always 2 seconds, which I have set over here, which is weird. If I set it to like nothing value, it will be 0 for some reasons. So I can just stop doing that. And in the player script, I can do that here. Okay, now it should work. Nope, it doesn't work. Cause this is not set. Now it should work. Okay, now it's working, which is cool. Just had to make it in the player and not in the global script. Very cool. So now I can just do this. I can remove this game manager first of all. In the player there will be this stop threshold, and I can change this in every level, and hopefully it will work. And I'm obviously not making this for the Trijam now, because it's not done. It will never be done in that time, because I have just almost 20 minutes left, which is bad. But yeah, this is what I have right now. Cool game for real. So basically when you stop, you die. Yeah, you have to keep moving. This is just a tutorial level, so it's, yeah, so the timer is quite high. So now what I can do is, let me just save this and close it, because we don't need it anymore. And I have streamed for how much? Let me see the time. Oh boy. Okay, that's not much. Just 2 hours and 17 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this again. So by default it will be false, and if I move, game started will be true, and if game started, I will start the timer. So by default it should not decrease the timer. Nope. Okay. That, and if game started, if not game started. If direction, it means we are moving. So we are going to set the game direction to true. And if the game is started, we want to start making the timer go down. So we're going to start the timer. Which it doesn't do clearly. I don't know why is that. I have to, I guess, do this. At the start, I actually don't want to set it to false. I just want to set it to true, and that's it. It will never get false. What? That's really weird. Yeah. Okay. I might have to change this thing over here. Say if velocity.x is greater than 0 or velocity.x is less than 0, return true. Else return false. So if it's greater than 0, that means I'm moving. It's less than this, then I'm moving as well. And if it's 0 or it's whatever else, I am returning false. Right. Okay. I guess we have to redo this thingy over here, because yeah, it's not clearly working. I mean, it's working, but what I want is I want to stop moving, just stop decreasing the time when I'm not moving, like for the first time, just for one time. Then I want to do it is just keep doing that and again. So if direction, that if I press any button, that means the game is started. I am officially stuck over here at this point because I don't know, for some reasons what I want to do is not like happening as I want it to happen. Wait, no, it's not that. Okay, that's pretty good actually. I mean, yeah, I guess I can help. I don't know, maybe like you can join the Discord and maybe I'll try and help there. But like, I don't know. I don't know if I have given the Discord link, but you can join the Discord and I can help there. Okay, I guess we got it working, which is cool. So it's working, and it's working exactly as I want it to work. We also have to do this there as well because it's, yeah. So yeah, we got it working. So if I don't move right now, the timer will never end, and if I move, that's the start of the game. Now you gotta move, and you don't, yeah, now you don't wanna stop because you'll die. Cool. Finally it's working, which is like cool. But oh wait, it's a float. And we just have 8 minutes left. But just to be clear, we are not submitting to the Trijam anymore. I am turning this game into a rage game. Yep. And yeps, we got ourselves a basic foundation of the game, and that is cool. Now now what do we have to do more? So I was making the level, and this is the tutorial level. So this will basically just have some bunch of labels that will tell the player what to do in the game, and then there will be a bigger level which will be like actually the main level, and in the level you just have to go to the top like every other rage game there is. Like you just have to go to the top of the level, and if you like fall and from anywhere, you just basically take a big fall and come to, like, you basically have to do this. So yeah, that's the idea. Cool. I didn't change the idea, I just turned the game, like turned the idea into the rage game. Yeah, the idea is still the same. You die if you stop. That's the core of the idea, but I just changed the game, like the whole objective. You just have to go to the top and try not to die, or try not to fall down. Yeah. So now I'm saying, like, yeah, there'll be some checkpoints, and you'll be like, when your this time ends, you will be redirected to that. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, what more can we do today, or yeah, in 10 minutes? Let's make another level, shall we? So we're going to create level 01. We don't need this script anymore, so we can just delete it. We also don't need the like spikes.gd, so let's also remove that. And I'm gonna try to make this level into something like into a tutorial level right now, so that you'll know what to do in the game, like what's the main objective, and then I'll create another main level which you can then go ahead and do some rage quitting and all that stuff, but I'm sure nobody will be doing that because I will make them so easy. Yeah, you wish. Okay, so this is where everything will be taught to the players. Let's change a little bit of stuff. We're going to remove this, make it a little bit longer, and this. Now here there will be some moving platforms, or not moving platforms, like moving spikes and all that stuff that I created earlier. And then there will be some, here I can add some moving platforms, maybe. So let me do this here, do that here. We got a bigger level, yay. Okay. Okay, now here there will be some moving platform, and I'm going to also make the moving platform like this one, but the animation player will be out there so that I can change the speed. So let's do that. Let's create in a path 2D moving platform. There is a path follow, and let's add the platform as well, which is going to be the animatable body 2D platform sprite, and it's near the collision shape. Then I'm going to open Inkscape again, let's open the same project that I created, and I'm going to select this one and change this to pixels and make it 64 by 64. So we have so we're going to add this in the tile set as well. And we are going to export the tile set again. Export, open this again, go to home, get that back here, overwrite. Now we have to change the word a little bit because everything will be now screwed because of that addition. So I add this here and here, overwrite. Let's add that block again, and in the terrain, this won't need a terrain piece, I guess, or maybe it do, like this, just a bit map there, like that. And in the tile map I can just place this now like a single block. Let's add in the tile map, and now let's add that same thingy over here. So region enabled, edit region, auto slice, not gonna work. This one, get that, and let's set the collision shape to something like this. Scenes, objects, moving, or just say platforms, and moving platform. And in the word, let's add that moving platform in the animation player. Animation move. Let's bring that. Wait, let me do a basic path in here, so it's going to be something like this. Right, in the word, we're going to just move this guy to this place over here, and let's animate. Wait, how can I animate the thing that I want to animate? Okay. Okay, I have to make them editable so I can get this property, or maybe let's just make them local. Okay. Alright, let's just keep it in here. New animation, move, and with this keyframe like that. This thing so that it does that, which is good. And then I'm going to attach a script. And I'm going to add here the duration. Get the animation player. I can set the animation player dot what was that again? Animation length. Okay, it's a read-only property. Well, that's bad. I guess I have to code this, like the movement. It should not be done with this animation player. Let's try to code this guy to move back and forth from the script. And this is the last thing that I'll do today on this game. Then I'll probably forget this game and never work on this, but maybe not. Alright, in the moving platform, we are gonna do I don't know what. So in the process, I can change this property. Okay, so path follow dot progress ratio plus equals animation duration, animation follow speed. Right. Oh boy, what the hell, my whole level just got what? What? My whole level just got toast. Oh boy. Okay, that was something. Yeah, the time finished, I know. It was never supposed to be, like, it was never gonna, yeah. Okay. Damn. So we are now gonna move the platform. So in the world, I'm just gonna move it right here so I can see right away without loading the game again. I mean, without doing some stuff. Yep. What the hell? It's not moving or whatever. Oh boy, what was that? And it make me lol. Okay, this platform is behaving really weird. plus equals move speed. I have done said do that. Okay, it does. Right. Okay, yeah, now it works like that. It's cool, very cool. And let me just divide this by 2. Oh boy. Okay, this seems like okay. Let's make it a range from what was the syntax again? Minimum, maximum. Okay, so I need like -10 as a minimum and 10 as the maximum. Or it should not go into minus. 0 is the minimum and 1 is the maximum. Okay, that seems like a nice little speed, but of course, lol. Okay, so if path follow dot progress equals to path follow dot progress ratio, you have to do this but in negative. I don't know what I did there, but it's something. It path, okay, so progress ratio. Bros are really chatting about pinging. Nice, cool. Wait, I can tween this. Wait. I can tween this, bro. Tween is life. So we need the property, I guess. The node property, final value, duration. So var, oh wait. Nope. Nope. Create tween and tween dot tween tween property node property final value and duration. Any node path or any node property can be a variant. Oh no, it's needs to be a string. Final value can be a variant, and duration is a float. Okay, this is the last thing that I'm gonna work, and then I'm gonna go and sleep or do whatever I want to do. Yes. Okay, so we can do tween platform and damn. Yep, me. That's for me. I like to waste my cool little time. Okay, so I have to animate the path follow dot progress ratio. I have to I have to path follow, then progress ratio. Final value is going to be 1 and duration is going to be move speed. duration. Right, so we got that work, and it should be now from 0 to 10. It can contain any extra heads. What are the extra heads? Or greater. Or greater. You have to define the step. Oh, not this. Okay, the animation should be finished in, yep. Okay, now let's see if that actually works. So okay, it tweens to that point, and now it should return. So we have to await until this tween is done, and I'm going to change this back to another value. So like I'm going to say starting value and finish value. Starting value, and finish final value maybe. Right, so it should start from 0 and go to 1. Alright. And it should loop. Set loops. Okay, I mean, it will probably be looped, I don't know, maybe. Okay, it's taking some time. Can append to a tween that started, use stop first. Okay. So tween finished. Okay, it's not doing anything. It should go from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. Path follow, progress ratio, starting value is 0. Wait, I think I don't need this. to start another tween and make it to 0. Let's change this to 0.5. Okay, so that's working, but how do I make it come back as well? Let's see. Tweens, godot. We gotta see some stuff here. I wanna make it loop. So if I do this, would it work? Nope. So doing not finished, I want to change it to 0. What does the value error? That I started, you stop first. Let's do this. Okay. That's weird. It goes to that point. Set barrel false. That's false. Set loops. Set number of times the tuning will be repeated. Okay. Dot set loops. Let's run this thing 2 times. And yep, it's not gonna work. Wait. I can do a timer. First that twins runs, it runs back. Right. Right. Nice. So it should bring him to the value. Okay, finally got it working. That was a long thing. Finally got the tween this thing to work. Yeah, it was something. Let's try this and see if it can actually work. Okay, wait. I don't think the collision shape is moving. Okay, it's moving, but as soon as I enter into this area, it just does some weird stuff. Where? Sync to physics. Let's change this to a static body. Yeah, this works. Or a character body. Because character body has that moving platform behavior by default. So it should work. Yep, that's working. Okay, now I gotta make this thingy. So can animate. Yeah. and then we want to do is change this set trans to linear and set ease to ease in. Actually, we don't want any easing. Yep. Right. Linear. All right. That's it. That's it. We are not done with the game, but I am tired. So that's an end of the stream. We got bit of progress on the game, which is not much, but it's okay. I can change this duration. I have made this little platform, like moving platform thingy, but what, it's not working correctly. Still, it has some problems, but I will fix them later on. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you, or I mean, that's it for today's stream. I'll see you in some other video or stream or whatever. So bye bye.